hope you're in good condition. Let me introduce myself. My name is Meswanti Febriyanti Safitri. I am student in Islamic State University of Raden, Intan, Lampung. My major is English education. In this video, I will share with you how to teach English number for young learner using media books. Surprise! As we know, teaching English for young learner make fun and colorful. So, this media can help the student to remember about number in English. The student shake this cube and then they are getting the number by shaking this cube at the books, and then I take what is in the books like that, so they are getting what are in the books, and then they are count how many this picture count together. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Are you fine today? Yay, Alhamdulillah. Are you ready to learn English today? What? Yeah, before we start our lesson today, let's we say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Are you know about number? Yeah, are you know, Daddy? Do you know how many my finger is? Do you know, Annie? Okay, let's recount together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once more again, yeah. You can repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Do you already know how many my finger? Yeah, they have 5 fingers. Okay, student, I will introduce you. This is Mr. Caterpillar. Do you know Mr. Caterpillar? What? Yeah. Can we count the number in his body? You can repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what? 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Yeah, once more again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, that's good. Good job all. Next, any 1, 2, 3 shake this cube. Annie, do you want to try shake this cube? Okay, Wow, you get box number 6. Let's retake what in the box number 6. Open, open, surprise. You get a pineapple. Do you know how many pineapple in this picture? 2. No, there are not 2 pineapple. How about you, Daddy? Okay, let's recount together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more again, you can repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many pineapple in this picture? Yeah, that's good. Yay! Okay, next. Anyone to try this cube? Bella, do you want to try this cube? Okay. Oh. Wow, you get a box number 1. Let's retake what is in the box number 1. Open, open, surprise. Wow, you get vegetables. So many vegetables, right? So, how many vegetables in this picture? Bella, do you know how many vegetables in the picture? 5? No, there are not 5 vegetables. Honey, do you know? 6? Yeah, that's good. There are 6 vegetables. Let's recount together. You can repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once more again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There have 6 vegetables. Okay. Let's. Anyone to try 6 again this cube? Gary, do you want to shake this cube? Okay. You get box number 4. Let's retake what in box number 4. Open, 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 surprise. Wow, you get cat. How many cat in this picture? Do you know, Daddy? What? Yeah, that's good. Yay, give applause to Daddy. Yay, there are 3 cats. Let's recount together, ya. 1, 2, 3. Once more again. 1, 2, 3. There have 3 cats. Okay. Okay. I think enough for today. Are you happy learning English today? If you happy, you can speak yes miss, like yes miss, like that. Okay, are you happy learning English today? Lovely, please. Okay, before we close this lesson today, let's we say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, be careful to go back home and don't forget to learn at home. Okay, that's all tutorial to teaching English number for young learner using books surprise. I hope this media can you use to teaching English for young learner. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.